half a month or like a month na pabalik-balik kami ng location. Meron din nagla-lock-in kami sa location. So, doon? Yeah, kind of. Pero hindi siya yung action na may baril-baril. More of tapuhan, hilaan, suntukan.
May love angle din ba sa story? Hindi yun ang...
Hindi. More of, ano ba? May scene doon na sobrang nakakatawa na pag pinanood mo, walang physical touch or walang kahit ano kami ni JC. Pero nung nanonood yung mga tao, kinilig sila. Weird. So, yun, I guess, yun lang. Pero, more of ano talaga siya, of walang bakit ng romantic.
How was the journey of your character in terms of searching for the truth? How would you describe?
I think it was very hard also for my character to be stuck in a place na ang isipin mo lang naman trabaho ko eh, di ba? Pumunta kayo dun sa place na yon to find something and to see what's really happening there. But then when you get there, turns out akala mo ikaw yung masusurprise, ikaw yung na-surprise. So, yung sa character more of shocking truth eh. It's very scary. Kahit ako mismo na tao, pagka iniisip ko yung nangyari sa role ko, takot ako. So, yun.
And